Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CA channel and back to the tutorial for this exclusive tutorial for artificial intelligence where who are preparing UGC net and some of the college level and university level exam also. Today I got to continue the topic called simplex simple reflex agent in AI subject, AI domain. So in the previous session I explained about what is agent and what are the use of what are the goals of agent and structure of agent, where have two parts like that, and also some introduction about this models, what are the models name. Like we have models like simple reflex followed by goal goal based and followed by utility based and so on. Today we are going to see only the simple reflex agent in AI subject with a real time example. Let's go for a session today where is one of the type of agent in the artificial intelligence area. Now we have to remember and easy it always what the say we are going to highlighted in the different manner for the important topics here. It performs actions based on the current situation. Remember, the simplex reflex means, and reflex means what? Immediately or spontaneously responding. Reflex means what? You are doing something means immediately respond immediately or spontaneously reflect the action. If it is true, then when something happens in the environment of a simple reflex agent, what happens? The agent quickly scan its knowledge base for how to respond to the situation at hand based on predefined rules. And there are three rules are important here. One is called act only on the basis of current perception and ignore the rest of perceived history and based on if then statement. Here whenever for simplex, as the name implies, simplex reflex we can use which what kind of way we are going to use for the artificial intelligence, whether in the way of robotics, whether we are using the only the software and so on. For example, if you take robotics in the factory, if you assign the program, what happen? If you give the if condition will follow. If you give some certain conditions, the condition true, what happen? The robotics do the work for 5 hours, otherwise not. And here a condition action rule is a rule that maps a state that is conditioned to the action here, and if the condition true then the action is taken, remember, else not. This agent function only succeed when the environment is fully observable. So whenever the environment fully observable here, it will work it, otherwise it will work out the rules and actions, otherwise not. And let's go for diagram. We go for one more mode and example. So let's assume that it's a general diagram for a simple agent where concept of sensor, how is the well, like now what actions I need to do, effectors will be there, environment is the one at last, and have condition action rule. Or if condition true, it will go and execute the task or action here. So agent, let's assume that we have a to example, take the air conditioner room where we have a agent software is there. The agent software we are giving the condition if temperature is greater than 45 degree, switch on the AC. So we can give the condition like if temperature 45 degree and above, when 45 degree and above coming, the AC switch will be automatic switch on and is possible. And option and after that we can one more give the order another condition if room is empty. If room is empty, switch off the AC. If room is filled with human people toward me, like that we can do, it will be again switch on the AC like that. So very simple, and is environment is there, and moreover it never bother about the past performance, that means past perceptions. That means whether you implemented with AC room, and whether the environment like AC room or factory or whatever that, it won't be bother about it. So reflex means what? Immediately or spontaneously give the reply, give the actions. If the rule is yes, it will okay. If the rule is true and okay, it will give the result immediately. So remember the AC. We can say lot of example here. Best example, air conditioner. If you keep the temperature, whenever the room temperature greater than 45 degree, it will switch on the AC automatically. It's possible in the simple reflex concept. Now, what are the, and also the here this agent always hold a static table for rules to action. Remember, so one static table is there, and here we are giving the input. Based on the input, we will get the output action here. So input in the sense I am just not told no. If temperature greater than 45 degree, whatever input is okay, then output is what? Action what? Switch on the AC here. Moreover, we can implement this agent for some playing games like chess, TikTok. Some of the parts you can successfully implement the agent here, this simple reflex here. And what are the problems or drawbacks of this simple reflex means one is called have very limited intelligence. There is no learning concept here, that means no need of updation here, can't easily update the values and so on, and it cannot compute complex equations or solve complicated problems, remember. So we can't compute complex equations and also solve complicated problems. That means condition plus condition, multiple conditions plus multiple conditions, it not possible here. And also not adaptive to changes in the environment, remember. So mostly we can implement these simple reflex agent in the form of fully observable environment, not in partially. That means it just be there is no bother of past, but some there it will, the agent is what, suppose the AC is the agent, what happen, it sense how the human, for example, if you enter the room, you can sense whether it is AC is there or not, AC working or not, we can get it. At a human you can do it immediately and manually can do something, but here machines will automatically do whether AC is if you fix the agent software, what happen, it will detect and sense whether the room, what is the room temperature, whether the room temperature is 20 or 25. It slowly, if the two room temperature come 45 and above, it 45 and above, what happen, it immediately switch on the automatic switch on the AC here. Not only this one, we can apply this for some washing machines as well as the some other robotics in the industry also. So these are points about the simple reflex agents in the artificial intelligence area. So if you have any doubts or queries, please kindly please, if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with us in the social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and please kindly follow the please kindly follow the playlist for updated sessions and so on. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.